Hello students, welcome to new session of the physics. Now we'll discuss numericals of chapter number 10 of the light. We had done already up to question number 10, already discussed with you on the Zoom app. Now we'll do the question number 12. The question given in your NCERT book as page number 186. Now I'm reading the question number 12. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. Now you can see in this question the object distance u is equal to, it is given 10 cm, and as you know very well, the distance according to sign convention already you had to take with minus sign. Okay, and you had to find the v, that is the position of the image, and the focal length is also given. This is the focal length of convex mirror, so that's why it is the plus. So plus 15 cm is given. Now to find the position we have to use the mirror formula. You know mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? This is the question number 12. Mirror formula is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Now make the subject v to find the v. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now put the values of f and u including and considering its sign. So 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon minus 10. Now it is 1 upon, take the LCM because it becomes a positive. So take the LCM, it is the 30. So 2 plus 3, that is the 5 upon 30, which is equal to 1 upon 6. So 1 upon v, now it is a 1 upon 6, or simply you can say v is equal to plus 6 centimeter. So you can see plus 6 means it is formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror, you know very well, it is always virtual and erect. Okay, it was the question number 12. Now coming to question number 13. Question number 13, I'm taking the question number 13. See the question number 13, it is given the magnification produced by a plane mirror is plus 1. So m is given here plus 1. Okay, what does this mean? You know magnification, what is the meaning of the magnification? Magnification means it is the ratio of the size of the image to the size of the object. It means this the same, the both are same, means m is equal to h dash upon h. It means also if it is given 1, it means h dash is equal to h. H dash is equal to h means the size of the image is same, and it is formed by the plane mirror always. So as it is given also in the question, plane mirror forms this image, and if m is equal to 1 plus 1, it means the image is virtual. Image is virtual as well as it is the erect. It is erect also, and of same size. Size is same. So it is the question number 13. Now coming to question number 14. You can see in this question an object 5 cm in length. So here object size is given 5 cm and it is kept at a distance 20 cm. Means u is equal to 20 cm in front of a convex mirror. So take the u minus sign. Always u is, you know, u is always negative according to sign convention. So it is the convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Radius of curvature, you know, radius of curvature if it is given 30 cm means the focal length, which is just half of this value, it is always equal to 15 cm, just half of this value. Okay, so these values are given and you have to find the position of the image, nature and the size. Nature and size also. So to find the nature and size, first of all you have find the v. So again, because it is a mirror, use the mirror formula. 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f, or 1 upon v like this. Take this. Now see, 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now put the values. 1 upon f, it is given 15 centimeter, minus u is given minus 20. So what is this? It is the 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. Okay, now take the LCM. Next. Okay, so 1 upon v is equal to, it is the 60, so 4 plus 3, that is the 7 upon 60. So v is equal to plus 60 upon 7 centimeter, and if you divide it, it comes around 8.6 centimeter. Okay, so 8.6 centimeter, it is the positive over, obviously it is the virtual image formed by the convex mirror. It is the behind the mirror, understood, it is the understood. So you can say it is always behind the mirror and virtual also erect. Now to find the size of the image, use the formula of the magnification, which is given by h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u. H dash is the height of the image, h is the height of the object. Okay, so now put the values to find the h dash. So h dash is equal to minus v upon u into h. So v, put the values of v is here 8.6, put the values 8.6, put 8.6, and u is already given, it is given minus 20 centimeter, it is given minus 20 centimeter, and h height, it is given 5 centimeter. Okay, so it is 5 4 is 20, so it is 8.6 upon 4, so it is coming positive, 2.14 centimeter. So what is the result? The image is virtual, erect, and it is only of 2.14 centimeter. What does it mean? Initially the size was the 5 centimeter. It is around less than half. So it is smaller also. The image is formed smaller. So this is the question number 14. Now come to question number 15. Okay, question number 15. I am taking the question number 15. Just pay attention. Now question number 15 says an object of size 7 centimeter. It is the question number 15. Size 7 centimeter, that is the h is equal to 7 centimeter placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Remember, it is the concave mirror. So u is equal to minus 27 centimeter. Focal length is given 18 centimeter. Since it is the concave, so put the negative, it is 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen should be placed so the sharp focused image can be obtained? Obviously, in question it is asked to find the position of the image. So find the v using the which formula? Mirror formula. So formula is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f, or 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now putting the values with sign. So 1 upon minus 18 minus 27. Okay, or say 1 upon 27 minus 1 upon 18. It is LCM 54. 2 minus 3. So minus 1 upon 54. So v is equal to, or 1 upon v is equal to, what is this? It is the minus 1 upon 54, or v is equal to minus 54 centimeter. So what does it mean? It means the screen should be placed. Screen should be placed at a distance of 54 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay, so position, that is the image like this. Just note down, image will be formed at 54 centimeter in front of mirror, okay. Now this is the solution of question number 15, and see what is other things asked. Yes, size, you have to size, and the nature also. Size and nature. So find the to find the size, we have to find the magnification. Okay, to find the magnification, use the formula of magnification, that is the m is equal to h dash upon h, which is, you know, v upon u with minus sign. It is the mirror, na? So that's why minus v upon u. Now put the values of all. Okay, so minus v upon u, m is equal to, so v is given minus 54 and u it is minus 27. Okay, u minus 27 is given. Okay, I put here with minus sign, minus is cancelled, so it is minus 2. It is minus 2. Minus 2 means ये है कि the magnification, negative magnification means क्या है? Negative magnification means the image will be formed real. So real image, okay, real image, and it is of 2 times. It is 2 times real image will be formed. Now to find the height, use the formula h dash upon h is equal to minus 2. Okay, so h dash is equal to minus 2 into h, and h, the value of the h is given, it is given 7 centimeter, so minus 14 centimeter. Okay, so it means the image is inverted also. It is inverted image also. Okay, it is the inverted image. Inverted image will be formed. Okay, so you may note down, this is the solution of question number 15. Now coming to the question number 16. Is it clear to all? I think so. Okay, now come to the question number 16. Find the focal length of convex of a lens of power minus 2. So power is given minus 2.0 diopter. Okay, you have to find what type of lens is this. It is not, first of all you have to find the focal length. You know the power is equal to 1 upon focal length in meter. Okay, focal length in meter. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, now it means the focal length is equal to 1 upon p, that is the 1 upon minus 2.0, or it is, how much it is? 0.5 minus 5 meter. So this is the focal length required, and since it is a negative, so you can say it is the concave lens. Okay, this is the concave lens. I think it is clear to all of you. Okay, it is the concave lens. Clear. Now come to question number, last question of the exercise, question number 17. 17th question says, a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. So power is given here plus 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of this lens, and is the prescribed lens diverging or converging? You have to tell, is it the convex or concave? Okay, see, it's very easy to find using the same formula as you have done in the previous question. So power, you know, power is equal to 1 upon focal length in meter. I repeat the same solution of the last question almost. So that's why the focal length, which will come in the meter, it is 1 upon p, and put the value of the p. It is given in the question 1.5. It is positive. Okay, remember. So just solve it, decimal, put, so 10 upon 15, that is the 2 upon 3. Okay, or you can say the f is equal to plus 0.6666 or 0.67 centimeter. Okay, so this is the solution of the 17th question. It is the plus Plus means you know the focal length of the convex lens is always positive, so the lens is convex lens. Convex lens. Okay, so students, you have to complete all these questions up to question number 17 in your copy, and send your images of the solutions on my WhatsApp. Okay, I will see. If there is any doubt, you may WhatsApp me your questions, your queries. Okay, I will solve these questions and your queries I will clarify. Thank you. A lot of thanks to all of you.